Hey guys, welcome to another video of Tech Unboxed. I am Denver here. In this video, I will show you the top 5 tips and tricks for the newly launched MIUI 8. So let's get into it. So in this video, I will show you how to make your device snappy just in some small steps. So first of all, you need to go to settings. So for Android, you will have to go and tap the build number several times and the developer options will pop out right here. For MIUI, you will have to go and tap the MIUI version several times and it will tell me that I'm already a developer, so I don't need to do that. And then I go to additional settings and I go to developer options. So in this, you will find something called as animation scale. So you have three of them. One is called window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animated duration scale. So naturally these will be turned on to like 1x or 2x or something like that. So that will see, I'll just launch an app and show you how much time it takes for an app to load. It shows the animation first and then the app loads. For that you need to go over here and then turn this on to like 0.5. By doing this, you're reducing the animation and this will make it the apps come up faster and it will not show any sort of animation, so it will make your device look snappy. So look at this now, it is fast as ever and apps turn on quickly. So next up is an option that's called Quick Ball. So for that you need to go to settings, then go to additional settings, and this is only for the MIUI users. So you need to go to Quick Ball and then you can just go ahead and select this one. So the good thing about this is you can customize all of these. So suppose I wanted to take a screenshot, so that's how you take it. If I wanted to go to the home button directly from here, I can go. Suppose any app is turned on, then I can go here and just go to home and it will like take you to the home. Then after, the second thing that you can do with this thing is you can go to additional settings, to Quick Ball, and then you can customize everything. You could restore defaults, or what I did was you could go and select shortcuts. So if you want, you could go to the back button and customize it or stuff. I go to apps. Suppose I want the camera to turn up, and instead of lock I want the Chrome app to turn on. So any screen I'm on, so suppose I'm on Snapchat, so I can just press the Quick Ball button and then it can take me to Chrome, or it could take me to the camera app directly from here. I don't need to wait to go into my app drawer and then turn on Chrome or something. I can just do it from this Quick Ball that's placed right here. Even while playing games, this will just go to the edge and you will not be able to see it on your screen. Like, it will just be an arrow on the edge. So that's a good thing about this. If suppose you don't have this for normal Android users, you have many such Quick Ball apps on the Play Store. You could download it from there. So next up, what we have here is called Scroll Screenshot. So if I want to take a screenshot, I can just go here and press a screenshot button, and then you can press the screenshot and you have an option called scroll. This is again only for MIUI users, so you can go to scroll and it will start scrolling down to all the videos that you have. It could be very long. This you can record chats or something, and you press done and it will compress it into one image. So the clarity of this image too is good, like you could see here. So next up we have LED customization. For that you just need to go to settings and then you need to go to additional settings. So for MIUI users, this is just inbuilt in the settings menu. If you don't have MIUI, then I have an optional video that will pop up somewhere on the right corner or something, and that will show you a video on something called as Light Manager, which will turn up all notification lights, and it is highly customizable and stuff. So please do take a look at that video. So for MIUI, you just have to go to the settings menu as I showed, and then you have the notification light as blue. So I can just go and customize it to yellow, calls to any other color. So that's it. You can customize anything, like you can customize the notification light as per the color that you want. So for MIUI users, I have a bonus one for you. So if you need to go to one-handed mode, since this is a big display, this is the MI Max, so you could just press from left to right. You can just drag like this and it will enter into the one-handed mode. So from this you can do your normal browsing and stuff, and it will still be in one-handed mode. To get out of this, you could just go and drag it from right to left, like that, and it will turn back onto the full screen. And you can even do this like from right to left, and it will go to the left side of the screen. And you need to come back, you just need to do this, sorry, yeah, and there you have the screen, full screen again. So if you do have any questions about the customization of this phone or any of the things that I showed you today, so please do comment it in the comment section below. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, peace out.